Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can assign cards to your team members in your Trello workspace really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. So let's just assume you would like to assign a specific assignment from your to-do list here inside your board on Trello to one of your team members. You can do that with any card here inside your Trello workspace. All you need to do, guys, is left click on the given card. Let's say that's a task here or an assignment. Left click on the given card and that is going to open up the card menu here. So what you want to do, guys, is click on members here at the top of that panel to the right, members. And after that, simply search the member or a teammate of your workspace, enter the name, or pick the name from that list below. So let me assign it to myself in this case here by left clicking on it. And as you can see, if I close that small window here, that task or that assignment on that card has been assigned to me, to myself here. As you can see, the members, you can assign more members to the given card by clicking on the plus icon. You see also the given recent activity here in that history that the given card has been assigned to this member here, which is me. So that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.